Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang reading ninyo about your future self. This is a timeless reading anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. Ayan. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see Pisces kung ano yung timeline. Ano yung timeline ninyo? Ng future self ninyo. Anong timeline? Tingnan natin. Timeline ng future self. Oh, 6 years from now. Oh, medyo matagal-tagal tong timeline na to ah. So, let's see. Ano ang future self 6 years from now ng mga Pisces. Okay, you have Raidu, Suilu, and Manas. So, I think, I'm seeing kayo ay merong sense of fame, popularity. So 6 years from now, maaring kayo magiging popular sa social media, sikat sa inyong career or sa community ninyo. Maari ring kasi meron ditong Raidu so pwedeng kayo ay may mga travel opportunities rin 6 years from now. This is also about self-discovery. So maaring may focus rin sa inyong sarili, no? 6 years from now. Yung iba pwedeng merong paglipat ng tahanan talaga na tinitirahan ninyo. Pwedeng kayo ay mag-abroad. Kung may plano kayo na mag-travel abroad, hindi lang siya travel hindi lang travel yung nakikita ko rito. This is like having a permanent residency sa isang bansa na gusto mong tirahan. Migration, oo. You might be migrating. And then, Suwilu is about illumination, joy, and light. So, wherever you go, no, saan ka man pumunta, mag-relocate, you will find joy, peace, happiness dun sa lugar na yun. And then, you also have Manas. This is about your self-awareness. So, mas nagiging aware ka sa kailangan mo sa buhay mo. Kasi, some of the Pisces people, you tend to parang ibigay lahat sa iba, sa mahal nyo, yung lahat-lahat na wala kayong tinitira sa sarili nyo. And I feel like 6 years from now, you will focus on taking care of yourself, lalo na kung na-fulfill nyo na yung mga plans ninyo, pangarap nyo, or responsibilities nyo sa ibang tao. Let's see what else. Pisces, 6 years from now. Pisces, 6 years from now. You have the Knight of Wands. So, mas magiging malakas ang loob mo. Risk taker ka. There's definitely a new beginning for you. I see like a new business partnership. You have diba? Merong the Lovers. You have the Two of Pentacles, so multiple sources of income. Definitely, meron ditong exciting new beginnings. New experiences kasi to. So, hindi ka pa familiar doon sa lugar na titirahan mo. So, maaring ang new experience mo is relocation. Although, merong mga tao na magiging challenging for you, like for example, kung lumipat ka ng ibang lugar or ibang bansa, maaring magkaroon ng communication gap or sa culture, no? Maaring ma-culture shock ka. But eventually, magagawan mo naman yan ng paraan. You will overcome that issue. You have the Queen of Cups, Four of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man. Okay, that is also your energy. The Four of Pentacles is about stability, home life, family life. So definitely, I see a very stable career or family life, home life for you in the next 6 years. I also see na yung iba sa inyo maaaring magpapagawa kayo ng bahay in the next 6 years or 6 years from now. Meron na kayong magandang bahay. Some of you mas preferred na magkaroon ng farm or tumira malapit sa dagat. So, pwedeng yun yung mas pipiliin nyo, malapit siya sa coastal line, no? I also see here na maaaring merong farm. I feel like there's a farm, tapos yung farm na yon pwedeng meron kang mga services na i-offer, something spiritual. Pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng retreat house, or meron kang mga classes na ituturo sa iba, like for example yoga, meditation, very spiritual yung energy for you Pisces, na ipupurso ninyo sa isang lugar na doon ka ulit magsisimula, doon mo ulit gagawin or ipagpapatuloy rin yung mga pangarap mo na hindi mo nabigyan ng attention before dahil may iba kang mga priorities. Let's see what else, Pisces. Yeah, co-creation, merong mentorship, maaring merong magtuturo sa'yo, or meron kang nilulook up to, or someone na nagbibigay sa'yo ng ideas or nag-a-assist sa'yo in improving your knowledge, your skills. And eventually, I also see you na magme-mentor din sa iba, magtuturo rin sa iba. Magiging may pagbabago pagdating sa pananamit mo, pagdating sa kung paano mo i-carry yung self mo, how you present yourself. I also see na mas susuot ka ng damit na mas elegant, mas presentable, or something that is ethereal yung energy na yan. And also, you will be part of a big community. So, pwedeng community yan sa lugar ninyo. This can be social media. Maaring ikaw ay magkakaroon ng maraming followers sa social media or mga supporters that is resonating with your energy. Pwedeng mga kapwa mo rin na spiritual practitioner or mga people na merong pina-follow na different forms of divination. I also see you leading a community, no? 6 years from now. Let's see what else. Diba? Intuition. Merong heightened or strengthened intuition for you. Mercury is a planet of communication, your thoughts. Maaring you are, kung hindi ka pa into tarot reading or astrology, maaring ikaw mismo magre-read ka rin ng tarot, or you are going to make it as your profession or source of income. Yeah, there's a lot of maraming magkakaroon ng interest sa'yo. If you're single, then possible maraming mga magbibigay ng attention sa'yo. Pwedeng magiging interested sa'yo, nag-a-admire sa'yo, especially that mas lalo mo nang inaalagaan yung sarili mo. So, the more that you are taking care of yourself, the more siya nagmamanifest sa'yo into someone that is very attractive and magnetic. I also see na maaring mas nakaka-attract, mas maa-attract mo ang mga foreigners, or if lumipat ka ng bansa na titirahan, doon ka mas makakahanap ng attention or appreciation. Something that will, kumbaga parang magpapalakas rin ng confidence mo sa iyong sarili. Maraming choices for you na mag-open. Worry less about making the right choice and more about being strong enough to handle any outcome. Yes. So, yung choices, opportunities, laging nandyan yan para sa atin. Ang importante lang is meron kang lakas ng loob na i-handle kung ano man yung magiging resulta or consequences ng mga choices na yon. See, you are moving to a new direction. And also, mas mag-spend ka rin ng time outside. Oo. And, yeah, I'm seeing kasi a place na, maraming puno, nature, no? Nature yung energy na to. So, maaring ikaw ay titira or magre-relocate sa isang lugar na province vibes, tapos maraming puno, malamig. I'm sensing Switzerland, New Zealand, kung yan yung mga gusto mong places. Basta yung mga ang gaganda ng mga place na yon, no? Maganda yung landscape, and also yung iba malapit sa coastline, sa water, sa bodies of water. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.